Hello and welcome to the TigrePup channel. In this video, I'll be creating a copper red hair color. If this topic interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you what the hair is looking like before we begin, so I'm going to give you a 360. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you my sectioning. I'm doing like a highlight type of ombre thing going on. So I had to separate the base, the very bottom, because I want it lighter along the top and darker on the bottom. So as you can see here, I'm highlighting in the very top and I'm weaving really big weave pattern along the sides here. As I just did the top, you saw I did the top. I had a lot more highlights at the top than I did, as you can see here on the sides. And right here, I'm working my way through the back. As you can see, I did one row in the back. It's not quite as plentiful as you can see with the foils as it is in the top and the front as it is in the back. It's more so in the top than it is at the bottom, if that makes any sense. So right here, I'm just kind of like working that lightener through to make sure I got even coverage, and I lowered it a little bit lower because I wanted to catch the mid shaft and ends to create that ombre effect, because it's going to have a dark root. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so now that I've strategically placed my foils and my highlights with the actual bleach, I'm going in with my oil lightener and I'm going to do the rest of the hair. And when I do the hair, I'm going to actually get as close as I can to the track or the very root. And I'm going to completely cover the portions that are not actually foiled. And the places where the foil meets the dark pieces, I'm going to drag the oil lightener into the powder lightener portion. I don't know if that makes any sense. I'm trying to show you right here because I don't want any dark lines. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I'm going to drag it down a little bit and pull it into that so it's nice and graduated, if that makes any sense. The oil lightener doesn't lift quite as much as the powder lightener. So that's how I'm going to do the ombre-esque with, instead of being black and blonde, it's going to be like a light brown, dark blonde with a light blonde, if that makes any sense. And just see what I'm doing here. And I'm going extra hard on those ends because for some reason it doesn't really take on the ends very well. So that's what you see me working through right now. Okay, so honestly, I decided to try this method because I didn't want to just lift everything and then do the highlights after. Um, just trying something new, but I'm gonna see how this turns out. But I don't want to lift it too much where I reach blonde and then I have to add red because it's going to turn pink and stuff like that. So I mean, it's pretty much in the same similar family, which is going to be like a light brown, um, like a reddish coppery golden color. So that's what you see me doing here, just trying something new. Okay, here is what we're looking like while we're processing. Okay, so now that we've shampooed the hair, we didn't condition just yet. I'm going in with my semi-permanent hair color, and I want to say this is Cajun Spiced because I wanted to do a coppery color. And the pieces that were lifted with the oil lightener, which is the blue stuff you saw, is going to be slightly darker, well, a lot darker than the pieces that I lifted with the actual powder bleach, so which is the white that I used and I put into a foil. So hopefully it'll turn out like that in the very end, and we're going to take a look and see my process for doing everything, so just stay tuned. Okay, I'm going to take the hair now, put a plastic cap on to sit underneath the dryer, and we're going to see the finished results in a few. Okay, so here are the finished results. I hope you learned something in this process. Um, it's a lot redder than I would have expected, but it still has a coppery tinge to it. And I like the color, and I hope you like it too. Let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.